Hi everybody and welcome back. So as you can see here, we're still in our book class, and again, like I did in our lecture before, I'm just going to add in a quick comment here. Accessing attributes. Now, so in this lecture we're going to look at calling methods. So what are our methods? Well, these are our methods here, DEF. So they're the same as functions but inside a class. So any function inside a class is called a method. So at the moment we have 4 methods. And the ones we're going to be calling are ebook, softback, hardback. So let's look at how we do that now. So after we create an instance from a class book, we can use dot notation to call any method defined in book. So let's say that my book is a softback. How do we do that? Softback. Let's run that. Nothing, because I left out brackets. Now, Elon Musk is a softback book. Nice. To call a method, give the name of the instance, in this case my book, and the method you want to call separated by a dot. When Python reads my book dot softback, it looks for the method softback in the class book and runs that code. This syntax is quite useful. When attributes and methods have been given appropriately descriptive names like name, price, open, close, whatever it might be, we can easily infer what a block of code is supposed to do. Let's call another method here, so my book dot hardback. Let's see what we get. I forgot my brackets again. Elon Musk is a hardback book. Okay, so let's add in another method. So let's see, def, and this is going to be related to our ebook. So what we're going to say is ebook reader self, and what we're going to say is for description simulate an ebook reader, and this is going to become useful later on. Now, what does an ebook reader have? Well, it has battery power, it has a backlight, it has a touch screen, and it has a lot of other functions that a normal book, paper book, obviously doesn't have. So let's say we're reading the Elon Musk book, print, and let's say we have, so as we know in ebooks, we have a library. So let's create a kind of a library listing here. So print library, there we go. And in our library, we are going to have our name. So that'll be self.name.title. There we go. We're also going to have, I forgot my plus symbol there, so let's just put that in. And I'm making this up as we go, so bear with me. So what else will our book have? Well, it's going to have a price, because as you know, if you're looking down your Kindle or whatever ebook reader you use, in your library you have the name, you have the price, and you have the publisher. So plus self dot price. There we go. Price plus self dot publisher, and we're going to capitalize this title. Okay, and then after this we just add in a full stop plus, let's see what we get there. There we go. Now, so let me just go back to the start of this line. Ebook print library. Okay. Now, so let's remove all of our code here, including accessing attributes, because we're not going to do that at the moment. Let's add in a new comment calling our ebook reader method. Okay, so let's do that now. And how do we call it? Well, like we just seen, we say my book dot ebook reader brackets, and let's see what we get. An error. Of course we do, because we have the price and that has to be a string. I should have known that. I was thinking that as I wrote it, but then I just lost my train of thought. Okay, let's run it again. There we go. Library, Elon Musk. Oh, I have no space there because I have to add in my spaces. Plus, space, plus, another space, and plus another space. Good learning curve here for us all. There we go. Currently I'm reading, so in my library I have library Elon Musk 14.99 Virgin books, and what I could do here is I could put in commas, I could clean this up a little bit if I wanted. So I could do that here. I don't need it at the start. obviously. I need it here after our name. There we go. $14.99. There we go. And we leave it at that. So let's see. So there, it's a little bit cleaner now. Elon Musk, $14.99. You can put in our $sign as well if we wanted. There we go. So as you can see here, the ebook reader method could come in very handy if we were creating a piece of software related to an ebook, or if we were an Amazon kind of type of book selling website where we can show the different types of books that we sell, such as hardback, softback, or ebook. We could call it different methods to relate it to the different page that the user is viewing. And all we would have to do is add in more methods. So you can see here now the power of our class. I hope you found this useful. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. If not, I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.